and Nirmala Sitharaman today. And I'm also a fan of Anand Ranganathan. I have got a small query to him. Mr. Ranganathan, just tell me this 12 lakhs, including that capital gains, in case somebody is trading and it is a part of the capital gains, which also included in this 12 lakhs, that's what I wanted to ask. And one piece of advice to Mr. Sanjay Jha, don't criticize the 24 into 7 into 365. At least appreciate one day on the budget day to Modi's government, who has done a fantastic job for the year 2025.
Well said, Mr. Prasad. Yes, Sanjay Jha will take a break for today in criticizing and start criticizing tomorrow morning. Sanjay Jha, is that a deal?
Well, let me tell the gentleman who clearly is in love with me, that this government gave away...
This is another
in a
gentleman.
Tax cut,
Everybody is in love with you.
The Modi government in a tax cut gave away 1,50,000 crores since 2019 to the corporate sector on the promise of jobs and growth that never happened. So please, you have already given away 10 lakh crores that were due to you. So this government is not doing you any favors at all.
I'm sending you a tissue box. Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears, Sanjay Jha. Tissue box coming your way from the Times Now studios. But also joining me is Makran from Kolhapur. Makran ji, what do you think about the budget announcement and the tax relief?
Hello, good morning to all Navika and the fellow panelists. Really, it's a bonanza for the taxpayers. I wish to understand from the fellow panelists whether have the finance minister, madam, have given any relief to the NPS, non-performing assets.
Okay, non-performing assets have they got? We're still waiting to read the budget papers. We only know what has been announced by her in Parliament.
But
NPS,
also NPS actually has been, the twin balance sheet problem was solved
by the
several,
NPS solved out NPS.
So that problem was solved earlier. Both the banks and the corporate balance sheets are now clean.
And NPS, we'd probably seen a bank statement in an
Correct.
RBI
Not in the
document,
budget.
not really in the budget. Thank you very much, Makranji, for joining us. Also joining me from Shillong is Mr. Raju, and joining me from Chennai is Mr. Venkatesh. Good afternoon, Mr. Raju from Shillong. Happy with Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's budget and the tax breaks announced?
Yes, ma'am. Very good afternoon. Myself, Raju Paul from Shillong. Ma'am, last budget I have given you a call, and I was very on the forefront. I told that the middle class required much relief from the government. I am thrilled. India is thrilled because Modi government has delivered on the need of the middle class, because middle class were really in the need for the relief in the income tax slab.
Do you think
just done it?
Do you think if he had delivered this earlier, 400 par ho jata?
Yes. Yes. Ma'am, maybe, yes, it was much needed. Yes, everything was possible. Modi hai to mumkin hai. Yes, but nevertheless, if it has come this year also, 400 par abhi bhi baki hai, 29 is still left. We can hope for the best.
Well, I hope the middle classes will remember this till 2029, because I don't see many income tax slab reductions happening between now and then. But joining me this afternoon is